My English Book 2 Poem Birds Can Fly. Birds can fly, birds can fly up in the sky, up in the sky. And I can fly too, and I can fly too. Frogs can jump very, very high, very, very high. And I can jump too, and I can jump too. Ducks can swim deep in the water, deep in the water. And I can swim too, and I can swim too. Dogs can walk on the ground, on the ground. And I can walk too, and I can walk too. Horses can run in the forest, in the forest. And I can run too, and I can run too. Bunnies can hop on the grass, on the grass. And I can hop too, and I can hop too. Thank you.